Welcome back, student. This is the second video for the explanation of chapter 3rd, that is named as synthetic fibers and plastic. From today we will start from the new topic, that is the type of synthetic fibers. And in your syllabus, some synthetic fibers are given. We are going to study about the chemical properties and nature of these synthetic fibers. Okay, now let's start. First synthetic fiber is rayon. You have read in class 7th that silk fiber obtained from silkworm was discovered in China and was kept as a closely guarded secret for a long time. You know कि silkworm was discovered in the silk fiber obtained from silkworm. Firstly, it was discovered in the China, and China keep this secret for a long time. Fabric obtained from silk fiber was very costly. All of you know silk fibers price is very high, but its beautiful texture fascinated everybody. बट इसका जो ब्यूटीफुल टेक्सचर है वो हम सबको अट्रैक्ट करता है, फैसिनेट करता है. अटेम्प्ट्स वर मेड टू मेक सिल्क आर्टिफिशियली. Now silk fiber is very costly. We scientists made some attempts that we can make a artificial silk fiber or man-made silk fiber. Towards the end of 19th century, scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having property similar to that of silk. Such fiber was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. That fiber we obtained by the chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. And students, focus here, we get this rayon or artificial silk by the not by the chemicals, by we use wood pulp. So this is not a completely synthetic fiber, because here we use some natural substance also. Although rayon is obtained from natural resources, that is wood pulp, yet it is a man-made fiber. But फिर भी ये man-made fiber है. It is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fiber. It cost is less and we can woven. हम उसको like silk fiber की तरह हम इसको use कर सकते हैं. We can also be dyed in a wide variety of coloring we can do. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bedsheet, mixed with wool to make carpets. Here some uses of rayons are given here. If in the bedsheet we mix rayon with the cotton, and for the carpets we mix this rayon with the wool. Now come to the next fiber, that is the nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material, that is raw material like from plant or animal. It was prepared from coal, water and the air. How we get the nylon? We prepare the nylon by coal, water and air. It was first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon fibers was strong. The here properties are given. Nylon fiber are strong, elastic and light. हल्के होते हैं. It was lustrous. Lustrous means shining and easy to wash. So it became very popular for making cloth. We use many articles made from nylon, such as chokes, rope, tents, toothbrush, car seat belt, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. So here some few examples are given here where we use the nylon, and try to give some more example of the nylon and tell me. Nylon is also used for making parachutes and rope for rock climbing. A nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. Actually, a strength of nylon is popular by its strength, and it is stronger than a steel wire. So this nylon is used in the parachutes and rope. As you can see in the figure, parachutes ropes are made up of nylon, and for the rope climbing we use the nylon fiber. So it is also shining, lustrous, shining, good strength, easy to wash, cheap in cost. So it is very popular. Here an activity is given through which you can check the strength of different fibers, especially nylon. What you have to do, you have to take a iron stand with a clamp like this. You have to take an iron stand. This is the iron stand. This there is a clamp. Take a cotton thread of about 60 centimeter long. The cotton stand thread you have to take, tie it to the clamp so that it hang freely from it as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure, you have to hang the thread. At the free end, suspend a pan so that weight can be placed in it. At the free end, from one end we tie the thread, and at the free end we attach a pan here. Add weight one by one till the thread break. You have to keep on adding some weight, extra weight. Note down the total weight required to break the थ्रेड. आपको टोटल वेट आपको चेक नोट डाउन करना है कि कितने वेट में आपने रखा और ये थ्रेड है ब्रेक हो गया है. दिस वेट इंडिकेट द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ फाइबर. रिपीट द सेम एक्टिविटी विद थ्रेड्स ऑफ वुल, पोलिस्टर, सिल्क एंड नाइलॉन. Tabulate the data as shown in the table 3.2. Arrange the thread in order of their increasing strength. Now, what you have to do, you have to repeat this experiment many times with the different fibers, and you have to put the weight required that to break in the thread. Then you have to arrange the different threads in their increasing order. Till that, in the next video I will tell you the order for these different fibers, weight holding capacity. Till that, try to give answers.